Today, we're bringing you an amazing smart home deal, the KERUI Tuya Smart Wi-Fi GSM alarm system, now available for just $57.17. This wireless alarm system is packed with features to keep your home safe and secure. Let's take a closer look. Works seamlessly with Alexa and the Tuya Smart App for ultimate convenience. Dash supports up to 99 zones and 6 outputs for a truly customizable home security setup. Includes door and window sensors with wireless connectivity for easy installation. Equipped with a 2.4-inch TFT touch panel and a colored digital display screen for smooth navigation. Features built-in rechargeable battery backup so your home stays protected even during power outages. Supports Wi-Fi and GSM frequencies, including 850, 900, 1800, and 1900 MHz, ensuring reliable coverage. CE and FCC certified for trusted quality. All of this comes in a lightweight design, just 0.7 kilograms, and it's super easy to set up. With app control, multiple alarm types including SMS and push notifications, and support for multiple languages, this system truly brings peace of mind to your smart home setup. Want to grab this deal? Click the link in the description below to buy yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and top product recommendations.